right, so we just got word that Jeremy hit the wall. He hit it backwards.
Are you sure?
That's what they said. You want to get grocery green tune in it? Hello and welcome to ZipTied. So today we are at Road Atlanta for the 24 Hours of Lemons. This race is like 14 or 15 hours that we're gonna take this good old puppy back around the course. Hopefully we'll have better luck this time. No geysers, no radiators being plugged with squirrel nuts, but we have a better outlook today. And we're going to Tech, where we have a special surprise for them, which I think they are going to like.
Guys are cheaters.
We're not. Hey,
I saw them hammering on the box.
Stock.
Not stock.
Hey, we'll put the template on it.
Let's go
You
get the
challenge?
template
Let's
on.
get it. Look, I'm gonna prove myself right.
It's the spec. Look at that. See how illegal this thing is? It doesn't even fit over the front of the hood.
Someone get him a feeler gauge.
I'm telling you,
Someone get him a feeler gauge.
That's an out of regulation turtle.
Alright, if you haven't watched our last video, I'll give you a little insight as to what's going on here. After Tech, Lemons has what's called a BS inspection, where they inspect the car to ensure that it was in fact purchased for $500. To circumvent their #1 rule, we had a plan: distraction and bribery. We built a full-size body template to mimic the style of templates used in NASCAR tech inspections back in the day. And of course, it was a great success. We got put in C-Class with 0 lap penalties. Perfect.
Alright, so welcome to Atlanta, where the players play and the weather is shitty like every day. It's very foggy. So I don't know if we're going to start at the normal 9 o'clock time, but regardless, we're still getting ready. Follow the wing! Follow the wing! Okay, so we got all the cars up on the grid. We're getting ready to go out. I'm first driver, followed by Josh, then Caleb, then Jeremy. So that is our driving order. I don't know about tomorrow, but today we're gonna kick some ass. Is radio? Radio check. Good.
Oh baby, anticipation, anticipation. Green flag is in the air. Boogity, boogity, boogity. Let's go racing, guys.
Oh shit! Damn, Elliot! Damn, he's bad!
Just sent Elliot out for his first stint. We did pretty good in the last 2 events we went to, but here we're really going for the gold. We think we got a chance. I like the aggression, I like the speed, so I think we're gonna have a good weekend.
So I just got done with my first stint, and look, here's the deal. I'm the best there is. When I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence. No one can hang with my stuff. I'm a big, hairy American winning machine. If you're not first, you're last, and we're 38th, so not good. ready. It overheated. Jeremy, what is this technique?
Huh?
What's this technique called?
Everything we can.
Okay, so when I got done with my first stint, we put Josh in there. Then what happened is they decided they wanted to full black flag the whole track because everyone's getting too feisty. So we got Josh all the way on the back straight, and he had to go like 10 miles an hour all the way back up, and that car overheated like crazy. I think we got another thing going on maybe next time. All right, so we got a little bit of rain just starting and sprinkling now, but based on what I'm seeing, it's about to get way worse. So it doesn't change our game plan as far as pit stops or anything right now, but if it starts to lightning or anything like that, then we might have to bring the car in if it's delayed. We're gonna change all the plugs and we're gonna change the ignition box, so hopefully it kind of like helps as it starts to downpour. Oh, not good.
No, I knew it was gonna.
Very not good. All right, so we just got word that Jeremy hit the wall. He hit it backwards.
Are you sure?
That's what they said, is he went in backwards. So right now, we're just waiting for the flatbed to arrive. I start to see the lights of it and assess the damage. We're gonna do everything we can to get it back out on track.
Oh,
Take a video.
you didn't hit it backwards. Oh. Oh, that's not backwards.
Definitely not backwards.
Oh, dude, you hit that mother hard.
Control arm is
Yep.
that, and the tie rod's broken, but otherwise I think it's okay.
And we have another wheel.
Is brake line okay? Yeah, brakes are okay.
So I just walked out of the Summit store, picked up all the parts we need. I'm on my way back to Brazelton right now. Like I said, we're gonna get this back on the track tomorrow. So.
I mean, well, that like kind of fits. Yeah, yeah, that fits. We just got to do a little work right here. Come on.
You straighten that out and you bring this section here kind of flat, and I think it'll kind of sit nice. Especially right here where it's down.
Considerably.
So I just got back a couple minutes ago. We got all the parts here. We got our best man Guido on the job. Elliot just came back from Home Depot. We got something special for the hood.
All right, it's 8:30 p.m. The race stopped about 5 hours ago. Jeremy put into the wall about 6 hours ago. Since Jeremy left for south of Atlanta, about an hour and a half away to Summit Racing to get the lower control arm, tie rod, inner and outer, and the adjustment sleeve, we have completely reassembled the front end. We banged out this fender from I don't know, what kind of shape would you say?
They're all
Yeah,
messed
yeah,
up.
something like it was just, yeah, like terrible. That's what it looked like a file folder. This one was also messed up because when we hit the wall, the way we had the hood mounted, these hood pins were mounted into the fenders. So when that one got pushed in, the hood got pulled that way, which in turn ripped this fender like this. So the picture of the car looked like this, and now it looks like this.
Yeah, semi-presentable.
Semi-presentable. Now we got Guido and Jeremy down there throwing in our Summit Racing parts. Shout out Moog, our new sponsor.
Not helping us at all. And Guido, our real sponsor here.
And shout out our biggest sponsor, our neighbors.
Yeah, the neighbors are awesome.
All right, right now we are putting the steering knuckle back on. We got our 2 new ball joints, and Elliot got us a new lower control arm.
And then this thing will be back on the road. It's about 8 p.m. and we will be on track in the morning. I'm first driver out, and everything's gonna be great.
It's like midnight. This is gonna be the first time the car sits on the ground since
4 p.m., 4:30.
yeah, since it got drug off by a tow truck. First we got just ride height, then we're doing tow, and then we're gonna do a parade wrap or
A parade, yeah,
parade
a
wrap.
parade.
Go ahead. And it's back on the ground.
Damn, son.
Oh yeah. I can't believe you
We did it! So turn 1, that guy just spun in front of Caleb and Caleb hit him. So looks like we got another repair to do. Other side. The brake pedal is just completely gone, basically. Yeah. You had a gear, Caleb? We gotta get up in the air, and we gotta check. Alright, we're gonna find out. Yeah, but this one doesn't even look that bent. It looks straight by the eye.
Everything I see looks straight. So I don't know if it just shoved it back on the threads or what.
I think we'll be okay here. We just gotta get that brake line off, and I gotta find one.
All right, so we got the car back together. There was a little bit of an incident over in turn 1 with a Honda. Luckily, there was no real suspension damage at all. We busted a brake line here. Our cool hot tub neighbors over there sold us a brake line. So that's pretty cool. We got that fixed. Guido banged the fender back to normal. We did an eyeball alignment. Elliot's gonna be next up on track. It should be sunny all day. And now we've all crashed it, so.
Except him. He's doing good.
Guido?
No. Guido didn't crash it either. MVP's over there. This right here, this is the real MVP.
That is a real MVP.
Oh yeah.
All right, so We got the car fixed from my incident. Elliot's back out on the track right now for his second stint. It's sunny here in Road Atlanta, and yeah, I don't think anything can stop us at this point.
So back from my second stint, and I feel like I did really good. We got Jeremy back out there for probably about another 3 laps, and he's currently being flat towed in for whatever reason. We have lost comms, so we have no idea what, but it seems he is the one who's getting the short end of the stick this week. Jeremy, get your wire ready.
Put some zip ties on the front. Give me just a second.
Send it. Just send it. Just start it. Okay, so we got Jeremy back. His throttle cable broke and the power steering belt fell off. So in like 2 minutes or 3 minutes, we got both those on, got the hood down, and sent him right back out. Not anything but a thing. No safety wire, no zip ties. Perfect execution.
So the remaining couple hours of the race were relatively uneventful, given all that happened, and also undocumented as all of our GoPros started dying. But we did one final driver switch. Jeremy got some clean laps in the sun. That was good, and then I hopped in the car to take the checkered flag and bring the car back in one piece.
Yeah!
That was the most anticlimactic shit ever.
That's good.
Holy moly.
If you are here, you in some sense survived the weirdest, possibly most choppy, bizarre Lemons weekend of my last 11 years. So give yourselves a round of applause. Yeah, this was a challenging weekend, right? Lemons racing. Sometimes it may be good, sometimes it may be shit. We're going to dispense with the boring awards, the who won, this class of stuff, then get to the good ones. So, most boring of all, of course, overall Team A. This person worked really hard to win this race. And you all know it was the Ginger Race Team 771, the BMW E34.
Yeah!
Alright, so this car, I love this car. This car is a first-time Lemons car. First time it came to Lemons. Excellent vehicle. You know, when it came through the pedal, that's an excellent car. It promptly crashed very, very hard. Smashed the whole front end up. They spend all night fixing this thing. Guy comes in from out of town, helps them fix it, brings a ton of parts. They spend all night fixing this thing. If you slept down there, you heard all the banging, bang, 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 bang. Get it all together, go on the track, promptly crash it again. Fix it again, and go out there and they continue to race. You all know this is the ZipTied Racing Dodge Doge Dart 569.